It's starting. Not a lot yet, but we're supposed to get a lot. You can see the little birdie getting snow on the grill. But yeah. Here it comes. Okay, so I'm gonna take a little walk. I gotta give somebody something down the block. So it is snowing. We still have snow on the ground. You see, we still have this. But you can see this floor is getting covered now. I mean, it's not totally covered, but you could see up the block. It's getting covered. Yeah, so this is not a lot. I mean, yet, because you can see it's just kind of coating, just starting to stick. It's kind of dark. You can't really see. Let's see if I can get more in the light here. And then up on the street light, you could see it flurrying. Yep, so you can see almost not there yet. I'll come back in a little while and just tell you then, because it's not that much right now.